Now slide the hands to the backs of the thighs, to the hamstrings. We're gonna slowly rock and roll up and down the length of the spine. Getting a little massage in. Try to keep those shoulders relaxed. Do it a couple times. And then we'll use that core center strength to come all the way up and find just an easy, low, soft boat. I know it's a recovery day, but just a soft boat, just finding our core and finding calm in this core center connection. Then we'll cross the ankles, come up back through the seat and return to lift the chest, arch the back, look up. And then exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest. One more time, inhale, opening the chest, look up. Exhale, stretching the back body, rounding forward, chin to chest. Nice, then we'll slowly come forward onto all fours. Center yourself on the mat, so back it up just a bit. And then spreading the fingertips wide, curl the toes under and send the hips up high and back for downward facing dog. Really breathe here. Keep the fingertips spread wide. Bend one knee as you straighten the opposite leg and hold here for a breath. Now switch. And switch. And one more time, switch. Now stay here, press into your palms. We're gonna slide the left leg all the way up into a three-legged dog. Then we're gonna bend the left knee and stack the left hip over the right, finding this beautiful stretch and this connection from the left palm all the way through the left hip crease, even the left toes. You can spread the left toes. Anchor through the palms, anchor through your right heel, breathe. And then slowly bring that foot all the way forward into a low lunge. Left foot forward, right knee back. Get light on the fingertips here and just stay here. Breathe, relax your shoulders. Lean into the stretch and the sensation. See if you can soften the skin of your face. Soften the forehead and the jaw. Now plant the palms, lift it back up to downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in here. And as you exhale, bend your knees. Try to bring your belly towards the tops of your thighs. And we're gonna gently ease our heart, the chest space, a little further back towards our toes. Nice, then straighten through